Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the MachineryTrader scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Appify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect detailed heavy equipment listings that are available for sale, also known as retail listings. This scraper collects retail and for sale equipment listings from MachineryTrader.com. It focuses only on equipment available for purchase, not rentals or auctions, and it extracts pricing, specs, dealer contact information, location data, and images. This is useful for equipment dealers, buyers, auction houses, and anyone doing market or pricing research on heavy machinery. So, how does it work? There are two ways to use this scraper. You can either search using these filters like category, manufacturer, year, price, and condition, or you can paste a direct MachineryTrader search URL. To get the URL, head over to MachineryTrader.com and choose any of these equipments for sale. For example, wheel loaders. Now, the first thing you must do is select the for sale listing type. After that, you can select any of the other filters you want, like the manufacturer, and be as specific as you want. Once you have collected all of these, you simply copy the URL, and you paste it in here. We'll choose the maximum number of items for 15, and we'll leave the rest empty, and we'll hit start. And we'll let the actor do its magic. After the run finishes, the results appear in this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents a piece of equipment available for sale. You'll see the title, manufacturer, model, year, condition, price, and full dealer contact details. You'll also get multiple images, detailed specs, and a direct link back to your original MachineryTrader listing. You can download the data as a CSV, Excel, or JSON file and use it for pricing analysis, inventory sourcing, competitive research, or outreach to dealers. This scraper is designed for anyone tracking heavy machinery that's actively for sale, without manually browsing listings every day. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us, and if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.